Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Kung Fu King. Yeah, it's the Kung Fu, right? Organizer. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can remember to review videos so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So this is a power tool organizer for the wall mount. So you can wall mount this, and then you can put chargers and drills and all kinds of stuff in there. Big shout out to Kung Fu King for sending us this item. They are not paying us a single dime for this. So we're just going to be looking at this, see the quality, see if it's actually worth buying or not. Alright, a box within a box, right? There's nothing on it. It's just a few letters there. It says made in China. Power tool rack for men. I guess it's just for men, right? It's not for women. So I do gotta say the packaging is pretty good. So you guys did see it came in a nice thick box. It does have packaging protection in all four corners. Alright, so we're gonna have to put this together. This is the hardware. We got the plans right here. You do get a power strip. Oh wow, this is a really nice power strip. Just for the power strip itself, it looks pretty good quality. So now this one is on yellow, so whoever has this brand is gonna like this. It does come in red, so you red fellas. All right, so we got a bracket here. We're gonna put everything right here. It seems like it's not a big unit. I'll give you guys the measurements here in a second. It says 40 pounds capacity. Right there goes. These two metal shelves go in the middle and the top. The other one's for the wall. So you got this is for the wall mount basically. You got some nice hooks. Obviously, you're gonna get your wrench and you're gonna get your screws. All right, so we're putting the screw or the bolt through the back and then the nut on the front. And then you do not tie these until you have everything already in there. You can tie the ones from the bottom, but not the ones from the top, because you want the flexibility so you guys could play around with them. Obviously, it'll make it easier for you to put make sure you guys put those holes on the back, facing the back. That's going to be something else you're going to be mounting on that. And you're putting the screw or the bolt in through the inside out. And then the nut's going to be on the outside, facing outside. Once you have everything in there, make sure you guys adjust it. Make sure it's flush. And then you can get an impact driver and a 10mm socket and tighten those up. I just held it with the inside with my finger and then get the outside with the impact driver. Or the impact wrench, whatever you have. So, and unfortunately my microphones decided to die, so I'm doing a voiceover. But yeah, that's the way it looks. We got the power strip here. You guys could mount that like that with the screws that go into the wall, or you can mount it on the bottom of either rack. So that's a good idea for you guys to do. Depending on what you do, you guys could mount this pretty much anywhere. You can mount it on the side. You don't even have to mount it on the rack itself. And it's easier to work with if you guys lay this down and facing up if you're going to be installing it on the top. The bolts through the bottom, facing up, and then the nut on the top. Yeah, this is where we make our videos. Well, actually this area, this shed part. I do have an outlet here I want to hide, so this will be a good place so we can hide this rack I have here on the side. So right there, and it just gives you enough space so you guys could have the wire there on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark the holes. Or I'm mounting hardware. Yeah, it's gonna need a bigger one. I actually like to drill smaller and then go bigger. Alright, so that's when you know this thing's in there for good. When you hit a stud. Garage or in the shop. Fits perfectly. Either you can fit it like that, or you can fit it with the battery. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to fit a 5 amp hour battery in here. So you are most likely you're gonna have to take this off. Put the accessories up on the top. Put the accessories right there, and then just put the drill like so. Yeah, I'm just gonna put them like that. I think it's easier. The impact driver. This one, the one that I was using, the Milwaukee. It fits pretty good. I mean, anything smaller than this, it actually, yeah, fits pretty good. It's a little tilted to the side, but fits pretty good. Alright, so we put the battery up here. The battery charger. So it is charging. Pretty tight, the wires on the back. That's what it looks like. You got the charger right there. It's working. Your power strip's working. If you're going to be mounting it like this up high, it's going to be hard to get to. My guess is just to mount it a little bit lower. I did mount it up high because I'm working there all the time. So what do I think about this rack? Well, I think it's a pretty good rack. I really like the quality. Very sturdy. Back. You can set tools, mosquito repellent, and then you can get your bits and all that. Set them up here. Gloves. Set them back here on the side. Some more bits. Set them right down the top. Got a step drill bits. These safety glasses. I know these are seen better days, but they do work for tool testing. Set them right there. Alright, some screwdriver. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.